Ready to pop? 1, 2, 3, go! What about the new one? Turn around, do the one you just laid down. That one has all kinds to pop.
Okay, Mom. And then do some other ones.
Bubble wrap heaven.
Gonna blow out. If we do this one more time, we're gonna whip this. We're gonna whip it lower. Hey, Mom, I'm gonna take my socks off, okay?
Okay.